How to make money as a rapper, part 5. Okay, part 5. Check this out. We got to create dope merch. And let me tell you what I mean by this. On my YouTube channel, I said a couple weeks ago that if you don't want to put your merch on before you put on another brand, it's whack. Go back to the drawing board. Let me tell you what I mean by this. People want to wear things that's associated with the status. That's why you got to create merch that's dope, because that dope merch will associate them with a status symbol. That symbol has to represent some type of quality of life. Find dope designers or friends that are dope that create dope artwork for your clothing brand, or pair or partner with a clothing brand that's dope already and help boost their movement and allow it to help boost your movement. And you got to find some dope manufacturers, but again, that can be done if you pair yourself with someone who's already in business that already has a dope clothing brand. It's not rocket scientists. Science. We got a brain. Let's use it. People will want your clothing to claim their loyal following to you and to show that they have status. It's like if you see in Atlanta, people are walking around with the God is dope shirts. And it's like, yo, what up, what up, what up? Just like I see people walking around in Atlanta with the Jet Life sweats. And I'm like, oh yeah, they're Jet, you know what I'm saying? So it's like like Rough Riders was back in the day, and it still is going. You know what I'm saying? So when people see that dope merch, when it has that symbolism, they already know, like Guns N' Roses, like Rolling Stone with the lips and the tongue, and yo, you like the Stones, man, Stones, baby, like the old, you get what I'm saying? The merch has to be dope, and you gotta be fly too. That's how we making money as a rapper, part 5. Because if you beat the house, your movement becomes bigger than you. You will be remembered in time, like Big Crit, King remembered in time. Create status-worthy merch, find dope designers, find the best manufacturer or partner with somebody who's already running a clothing line that's dope, that just needs the extra push. I'm telling you, it's just gonna be phenomenal for you. That's how you make money as a rapper, part 5, because if you make music, you should make money, so follow for more music. Why are you not following for music? Hit this follow button over here. Tap that little plus sign right there. Follow for more music business tips.